Hey guys, and welcome back to new video on this channel. So I just realized that something was missing from Aimogen, which is a really great feature to have. So until now we had this shortcode, the Aimogen text editing form. So this was providing us with a form like this, which the user was able to enter a text to be edited, an instruction for editing, and the AI was providing a result for them. Also, they were able to select model temperature if you allowed this in the settings of the shortcode. So let me show this in action. A cat, translate to German, and we can submit this and we will get like eine Katze. So this is a translation. However, it was not providing a form like this one, so where people can enter a text to be translated and they get the direct translation, and you can set the prompt from the shortcode parameter. So the user cannot edit the prompt and they can enter only a text, which then they can translate using the prompt that you entered here. Or you can change this prompt to fix grammar, to add some styling changes, to change the tone, or anything else that you can think of in text editing. So I added this functionality to the Aimogen text editing form. So the Aimogen text editing form got new parameters. You can set now the prompt which it will be using. If you set the prompt, then the plugin will not show this format anymore, but it will show this format of the form, and the user will be able to enter a text only, and the prompt will be set by you. Also, you can set the placeholder for the input fields, for the edit input field, for the instruction input field, for the result input field. You can change the submit button text, because if you set a form prompt that will translate the text, that you will need a submit text, a submit button text that says that, hey, you can translate this, and you can enable copy and speech buttons, these two buttons from these parameters. Okay, so let me show you this new form in action. So I have the prompt set for this form. Don't act as a virtual assistant, but instead reply only with a plain response to your query. Translate this text to German. And we can enter a text here. A cat sits on my table. And we hit translate. Eine Katze sitzt auf meinem Tisch. So you can see that the AI form is directly translating the text using the AI, and it works similarly to Google Translate, as you enter a text and you get a result. So you can use this new feature of the plugin in the latest update. Go ahead and check it. You can check functionality in the AI shortcodes and forms in the built-in shortcodes list. You can use this example as a starting point, so you can edit the prompt which is entered here, and you will be able to generate a similar form also on your site. So let me know if you have more ideas, suggestions for Aimogen. This is all for today. I hope you enjoyed these updates. Like, share, subscribe. It's really appreciated. Until next time, this is all for today. Bye bye.